Yo, are we live?
Yo, we live? I think we are live. Let me think so. Let me just see if this thing updates, but I think we're live. We
I
are
hope
live.
I hope we're not lagging.
No, don't think so.
Can you double check
For, yeah, for me it's not lagging.
on like
It's going good.
okay.
On another account, I got chicken. Oh, I signed out. No. Oh, I signed out of all my accounts.
You're trolling.
Oh, I'm trolling, brother. Uh, nah, but I'm pretty sure we're good.
Okay.
Let me
Cool.
just.
That's fine.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Okay, cool.
Hey, I love your room, bro.
Hey, I don't think I got to finish my story last time, but um what I was saying is that I I woke up one day and I was like, you know what, I just want to switch up the room.
Yeah, I
Decided to
see, I
change it
see.
up. Yeah.
Just one
What
day to
about
another, 'cause why not?
yeah, what about you? What about you?
What about me?
Yeah.
Not much. I've been doing good. I got the sniffles right now,
Uh-huh.
so I got the allergies going on, and right now I'm trying to log into my account so I can see the chat. But other than that, I'm doing good. I woke up and I was ready for the live stream. I know we apologize for a short notice for the early live stream, but I know Carlos has some stuff to do later today and tomorrow. So but we here though. We
Yeah.
adapt. We adapt to the change.
We adapted.
Adapt to change. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Uh, I don't know. I guess we should get started. Uh,
yeah. Yes,
today, let
sir.
me show y'all. Let me. All right. Today, we're planning on continuing our linked list journey. This is still the little problems we've been following. We want to do merge
Yep. Yep.
two sorted lists, and then we want to go into reorder list. And then if maybe if we complete these fairly fast, then we'll go into this one right here. So,
Yep. 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 Yep.
um, apparently we already did linked list cycle. Is that correct or no? Why do I
Yes. I
have
think
this
I
check mark?
remember. I remember. I think we did it already.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah, um, I'm not looking forward to the hard question right here. So that probably is gonna be within the next two streams. We'll definitely be solving that one. But yeah, that's about it. That's where we're at. Let's go to the first problem. Me and Jose
All
were already
right.
working on this one last stream, um, and we didn't get to solve it as easily as we thought.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully, with a new, fresh mind, we will we will do a little bit better.
Yes, sir. I'm ready when you tell me, brother. I'm ready to
All
go. I'm
right.
ready, excited.
You want to
Yes, sir.
reread it, restart it?
You told me I'm down to do anything.
Okay, let's do that then. Let's
Let's do that. All right.
reread it. Yeah.
I'll reread it then. So this is problem 21. Merge two sorted lists. This is an easy problem in quotation marks. It says the following: you're given the heads of two sorted linked lists, list one and list two. Merge the two lists into one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two lists. Return the head of the merged linked list. In example one, we're given 1, 2, 4. Oh man, early. And then we're given 1, 3, 4 on the other linked list. And if you merge them, you get 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 as the result. So we're just basically merging them together in an ordered fashion. That's a key word there. So, okay. We were in a pickle last time, I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay.
So
Okay.
our pickle that we're in was we didn't know whether we want to use three pointers or something along the lines of that, and then and then it would get a little confusing once, like, let's say it's on the top list, it's
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and on the bottom is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, whatever. How are you gonna set up the algorithm to keep going, to keep traversing through the first list, and then just link up with the list after it?
Yeah.
That was the
Yes. Yes. Yes.
quote quote hard part, but I think we were just overthinking it, in my opinion.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think we have, like you said, we have a fresher mind. We kind of know how to do it already. So I think we just have to plan it out a little bit better and see what the cases are, and see and have like a better plan of action. And after that, we can solve it. I'm pretty sure we can solve it today.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Alrighty. So you want to move this to Scotty Draw?
Yeah.
Rethink it.
Yeah. Let's go back in the lab. Let's draw it
Yes,
out. Um,
sir.
let's figure
Let
it
me
out,
see.
man.
All right. Let me see if I can. Okay, I copied the
Dude, did I tell you
session.
I went to go play basketball? Um, I was driving back from my Thea's house. I was
Uh
in
huh.
pants, by the way.
Okay.
Let me know whenever you send it.
I sent it already. Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Click this, and then let's go.
Yeah.
Click this. There you go. All right. I was um I was in pants. I was at like a little family event, right?
Uh huh. Uh huh.
And and when I was driving back to the apartment, um, what's it called? There was this kid playing basketball, and I was like, "Oh, cool, he's playing basketball, whatever, whatever." Then I passed the. It was a gated community,
Okay.
and then I passed the gate, and I saw the gate was open, and I was like,
Uh huh.
"There's no way. Let me go in it."
Ooh. Uh huh.
So I turned around. Hold up, hold up. I turned around and then I got into the gate. I went and parked next to him, and I told him, "Yo, you want to play?" And he said, "Yeah, let's play." Mind you, I'm in pants, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But I do have my basketball shoes. I have them always with me. I have them in the car. So,
Okay.
I have my basketball shoes and a basketball with me at all times.
Okay.
Anyways, I asked him, "You want to play?" He said yes. And then while we were playing, I noticed that he wasn't really talking. It turns out he only speaks Spanish.
Oh, really? No
So
way.
we had like a little language barrier there. But I tried my best. I tried my best. I was practicing.
All
But
right. I see. I
but
see.
anyways, he beat me first game. He beat me first game, and I was like, damn. I was like, I don't know how I feel about that, right? Like,
Uh
he
huh.
was
Uh
like a
huh.
little younger, right? But he was like the same like size as me. And then what's it called? Then I said una mas. So we played it
Okay.
again, and this time I wasn't gonna let him do that to me, right?
Uh huh.
So I did my thing, whatever, whatever.
Ooh. Okay.
Left,
Okay.
right, Euro step, under the rim, 3-pointer. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
um, and then I won the second game, and then that's when like it's a tie, so you can't leave on a tie.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
said una mas again, and sure enough, I beat him again. But man, that guy, it was kind of hard to communicate
It
with
was
him.
a tough. Oh,
And I was
ease,
in
bro.
pants,
Put
I was
out.
sweating and everything. It's one of the worst things ever.
Eee.
But
You could have put out the Google Translate. Be like, ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? You know.
yeah, for real, I
Eh,
was telling him, muy bien. Whenever he made like a really good shot, I would tell him
Yeah.
like muy bien,
Really.
and then
That's nice. That's nice.
I would tell him um, like my name or whatever and stuff
Yeah.
like that. But that's
He'd
about
be
it.
all confused. Your name Carlos.
Yeah, no, I explained that
Like.
to him. I said like in Spanish, I said like I don't speak Spanish, but my parents do. They never taught it to me. So,
Okay.
uh,
That's
anyways,
pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
All right, enough with the
Yeah.
yapping. I'm done. I'm done. I'm ready. I'm
Okay, just
here.
give me 1 second. Let me put a sweater on because it's cold
Okay,
in here.
put on your
Yeah,
sweater, bro.
just 1 second. 1 second.
Put on your sweater. Allie, what's up, Allie? How you doing? Hope you're doing good.
All right, I'm back.
All right, you're back. Let's get it.
I'm back. Let's move this over here.
Okay.
Alrighty.
So I know it says solved up here, and yes, we have solved it before. We just don't remember how we did. So with the new and improved mind, we're gonna try to solve it again. So
Yep. So here, all right. So we got 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. Interesting.
I would write the pseudo in text, by the way.
All right. Okay, I got you. So I got you. Alrighty.
I don't know if I spelled it right, but do it there. Oh man.
All right. So we can do. I know we did a little approach where we had like a temp variable
Yeah.
right here, and this like temp variable is gonna be used to like direct the linked list where it has to go,
Okay.
right? And then I know we had a little dilemma where we reached this part, right? And then we had to connect it over here, right? Well, what if we just say in a while loop, right? Let's say in a while loop over here, we say while, let's call it list 1 and list
Orcus,
2.
what's up, man? How you doing, brother?
Hey, Orcus
Good
and
seeing
Annie,
ya.
welcome to the stream. Hey.
Hey,
Hey,
that's what we're talking about right there.
yes,
Let's get
sir.
some. Oh, how do
Yes,
you do
sir.
congrats? Let's get some congrats in the chat, man. Congrats, man. That's some good stuff.
Hey, great to hear that,
That's
Orcus.
what we're
Great to
talking
hear that,
about.
man. I'm glad to hear that, brother. You see? Woo! Hey, bro, let's go. I'm excited for you. You know? Damn, that's cool. All
Good stuff,
right,
man.
brother. Yes, sir. Pin that, bro. Is there a way to pin it?
Mateo, what's up,
No, you
bro?
pinned
How
it
you
already?
doing? How you doing? Yeah, I pinned it.
All right. Bet.
Yo, everyone, congratulate Orcus, man. That's very good, man. Very good to hear. Big congratulations.
Yes, sir.
Why am I not? Oh, I don't know if you've been hearing about like the people stuck in space and stuff. Yeah, so my team we're like, yeah, let's not risk it. We don't want to risk anything like that. So we decided to depart from the moon immediately than our like set date. So yeah, I came back to my house and yeah.
Remodeled your room? Were you remodeled your room?
Yeah, I came in. I didn't like the vibe, so I remodeled it, and yeah, that's kind of why I'm not on the moon right now.
Damn, bro.
All right, I'm sorry, Jose. Keep going.
Hey, all good, brother. All good. Hey, I didn't know that, bro. You left that detail out. I thought you just like, came out
Well,
of
I
back
mean,
to like.
sometimes if people don't ask, I don't answer. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Fair enough.
I don't say too much. You know, I don't
Yeah, I
oversay.
get you. Hey,
You know what I'm saying?
I see.
Yeah.
I get you. So here, this list, right? We're gonna figure out like our logic here, right?
Okay.
And then once eventually is it list 1, list 2 is gonna go to no, right? Because they're gonna run out of elements, right? And so we can do some like if not list 1, right? We can do temp dot next to equal to list 2, right? So let's say we end up here, right?
Wait, I might have messed you up.
Ooh. I good.
I might have messed you up.
I good, no worries.
What do you see on your screen when it comes to the text?
Oh, I see a wild list end.
Okay. Let's
Let me
control Z this. Nope, nothing. Oh, we're getting somewhere?
Oh.
No.
No,
Okay,
I think
I
that's
messed
good.
you up.
I can retype. No worries.
It's because I wanted to resize it, so I resized it.
Let's resize it. No worries. I got you.
That's on me.
No, I good. Ooh.
Alright, we're here.
Make it a little bit bigger. There we go.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, so we have the
logic, yeah.
and got the logic, and then eventually list 1 or list 2 are gonna run into a null,
Yeah.
right? So if list 1 is a null, right?
Then add it to the list 2, or something like that.
Yes, the temp.next will equal to list 2, right? Since we finished, we're just gonna append the rest of list 2
Yeah.
because we know for sure that all those variables are gonna be greater or they're gonna be equal to the last value of list 1. So we're just gonna append the entirety of the list to
Yeah.
the current new list that we have. And if same thing, if list 2 is null, right? We can check temp.next equal list 1. So that's the way I thought about it.
I like
All right.
that.
After we do our logic, right, over like rearranging, eventually list 1 is either gonna hit no, or list 2 is either gonna hit no. So
Okay.
we're just gonna append that at the end. And now we just have to worry about the logic over here.
Yeah. Clat
Yeah.
the man said, ain't gonna lie, I feel like becoming a doctor is easier than this whole Leetcode process.
I mean it's
I don't
tough.
know.
It's because
I don't know, man. I think definitely we got it easier, brother.
a
I
little
think
bit,
we got it
yeah.
easier.
Now doctors have to like learn a lot of like vocabulary, a lot of science, and it's crazy out there, you know. But hey, I'm not saying Leetcode ain't difficult, right? It is difficult. It also has its own science, right? But you know, you just have to keep grinding, right? Keep it going. Try to visualize a problem, and little by little, start solving them. You'll be good, my guy. Don't you worry.
Come on, Clat, lock in, bro. It's time to lock in, man.
No
The
negative
time is
vibes,
now.
brother.
The
No
time is now.
negative vibes.
Wherever you want to be in the future, this is the time where you gotta lock in, Clat.
Exactly, brother.
There's gonna
Exactly,
be another
bro.
time, but why not? Why wait to that time? Just do it now.
Ooh, like they say, is it gonna be one day or day one?
That's
Mm,
what we're talking about. Clat, come
mm,
on, bro. Let's lock in. Let's get that mind straight.
uh,
All right.
bro, I
You
like
got it.
Orcas. Orcas disappeared for a while. He just came back. He's like, "Oh, I got a new position, bro."
Yeah.
Orcas
Hey,
is
Orca's
like,
on the grind.
Orcas in the ground.
He's in the background working, grinding. I don't know if you've seen that picture where it's like a building and it's like a hotel building or apartment building, whatever.
Uh huh.
And they all have windows. Each room has windows. And at night, all of the windows are off. Like I mean, the lights are off, but one room is on.
It's on. Yes,
And that's
sir.
Orcus right there. That was Orcus. At like
Sir.
4 a.m., his light was on. Just grinding. Um, Clat said, "I'm just
Uh,
stuck
ooh,
on
dynamic
dynamic
programming.
programming."
Is correct me if I'm wrong. Does that have to do with recursion, like the dynamic recursion? Yes, no.
You're talking to me?
Because just in general.
Oh, okay. I don't know. We haven't
No.
done that one
Yeah.
yet.
Yeah. All right.
We
Bet
need to
I
do
heard
that one.
dynamic.
I heard it's pretty hard to be honest, but
Yeah, I heard
what
that
did you
too.
hear?
I heard that's a pretty. I think we've done like a little bit dynamic programming here and there, but just easy problems.
Yeah.
But yeah, I heard it's pretty tough out there. Hey, Clad the man, don't stress out. Don't stress. Take it easy. Dissect it little by little. Try to get the fundamentals, and after that, go up a little bit. Don't panic. Don't panic. All right, all right.
All right. All
So
right. We're back. We're back.
let's get this logic on.
Okay.
Right. So,
So
hmm.
we're gonna do 2 pointers or no?
Yeah. List one,
One,
list two.
one on this one on this two.
Yes. We're gonna have list one here, list one here. Then we're gonna have a temp variable.
Okay.
Yeah, that temp variable. I was thinking, to do something like if list at one dot
One
val
val is less than or
equal to list dot two.
then temp starts
Temp
at
will equal at list one. Yeah,
yeah.
and same thing with and I think we can put an else here, and it goes temp will equal list two. Something like that. Let me just move
Yo,
this
this
a little bit
music
up.
is low key fire right now. I'm lucky. I gotta like it.
Really?
Give me a second.
Damn. Let me see.
I'm
Let
messing
me.
with this.
Ooh.
I'm messing with it a lot.
Uh-huh.
It's getting me in the like. I'm like vibing.
Ooh. All right.
I'm
I
vibing
see
a
you. I
little
see
bit.
you.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah. All good. All good. Let me just move
Let me
all
delete.
this.
Let me delete this right here. Well, let me just put it
Oh.
SPSUEDO, something like that.
All right. There you go. All right. So
Okay.
this. So we're gonna do. If the position one dot val
Val.
is greater or equal to list dot two. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's think this out.
So right here for this example,
Mm-hmm.
list1.val is equals list2.val.
Mm-hmm.
If it equals it, then
Mm-hmm.
mother freaker.
Yeah.
Give me a second.
Or okay. Yeah. For sure. For sure.
If they equal the same, move this over. Move this over. The temp holds. I don't know what your idea with the temp was for, but if this was the idea, then let me know. Then temp stays at 1.
Mm-hmm.
If two, if list1 val is less than list2 val, then that means this needs to point here.
Yeah. But
Huh.
this one over here has to remain over here because we still have temp. This temp one is gonna help us like determine where to go. You get me?
Okay.
Yeah. So for example, here, right, we can move temp one to two. Now the temp variable is gonna go like that. Let me do it on red so it could be a little bit better. It's gonna go like that. Now temp variable is over here, right? So now we got 1. Then 1 and 2 is gonna stay at 1, right? And then we're gonna move this one over here. Because now we're gonna compare 1 and 2. Which one's smaller? 1, right? So we keep the temp one at 1. Then we go to 3. Which one's smaller? 2. So we move this one over here. And we move this one over here. So now temp is at 2. So temp is just guiding us where to go. Does that make sense?
You never played GTA before, right?
It reminds you of this music?
Yeah.
It
Like
reminds
when you
me.
when you're
Uh-huh.
doing a heist, there's like this background music,
Okay,
like
yeah.
upbeat kind
Okay.
of, but like like a synergizer type of feeling. I don't know how to
Yeah.
explain it, but
To give you that motivation, that
yeah,
adrenaline rush.
yeah, something like
Yeah.
that. Like it's not like EDM music, but it's like
Yeah.
some energizer type
Yeah.
music.
I don't know, it reminds me of like futuristic, like cyberpunk
For
music. I don't
sure, for
know.
sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Now I see
All
what you're
good, all
saying
good.
though. So for this certain case, temp right now in the beginning is pointing at no or pointing
No,
at
it's
the
pointing
head. Oh, right here, right
at
here.
yeah, at the
Okay.
head. Yeah.
So it's right here. You compare it, right? Since since we're up here, can I move this?
Yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure.
Okay, correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, go for it, go for it.
So
You're
one
wrong
and
already.
one equal. You move this over.
Yeah.
And why don't you move this one over? Is it because we're
Because you
up here? We're starting here, or what?
No, because you still have to take into consideration this one. Because if you move this one over here, right? This one over here, now the link is from here to here. You're
Okay,
not going over here.
but who says we need to move? Who says we know that the next one is going to be 2? Like, what if purple was on top, right? Let's just say purple was on top for this
Yeah.
example,
Yeah.
and then the temp is right here pointing at
Uh-huh.
this.
Yeah.
1 and 1 that equal, you go here. Okay.
Okay.
Now what?
Well, you got 3 and 1 now. It's 1 less than 3.
Yes.
So now we point over here to 1. And we move temp over here. And then we move this one over here.
So temp is pointing at this one node right now.
Yeah, now it's pointing up. Temp basically is like redirecting the links. So we can have one list in general. So
Okay.
once we hit that 1, right, this link is gonna disappear. So now we have a list of 3 and 4. Because this link we moved it to point 1.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? So now we got 1, 2, and 4. Now we got 2 and 3, which one's smaller? Well, 2. So now temp is gonna point at 1, right? You can say this link disappears, but it's just gonna remain there, right? And then since temp is already at 2, right? We don't have to take into consideration 2. We can just move this one to 4. All right. So now we have 3 and 4, which is smaller. Well, 3. So now temp points over here. We get rid of this link. And then we move temp over here. Exactly, just like that. Right? Just like that. And then we say, all right, we're at temp. We are at, now we are 3 or 4, 4 and 4, right? Right, we can point to whatever, right? And we hit this one over here. We remove this one. We can either or 4 or 4, whichever. The top one or the other one. Doesn't really matter. And then here, now list 1 is gonna be null, right? Where we're gonna exit out, right? And then we're gonna hit this same. If list 1 is null, we'll attempt on X, just equal it to list, where now it's gonna equal over here.
Temp is up here, by the way.
Oh yeah, temp is right there. Yes. So now we're gonna equal it to whatever list we have here. So now it's remaining. Yeah. And this we have like little notes over there.
Okay. I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. Huh.
Yes.
Okay, now let me redo that.
Yeah, for sure. Let me. Oh, I erased. I'm just gonna try to erase the little.
Oh, I went too far. See, look, that's some crazy programming right there. It's like I'm undoing, and it's not affecting the stuff you drew.
Yeah.
But also, if you modify the arrow, will it affect it? If I touch the arrow and you touch the arrow, like who says who has control over the undo? Like when it comes to certain elements, like the last person that touched it, or like. Anyways.
Let's see. Let me move this arrow.
Okay.
Now Control Z.
Okay, now let me modify it. Okay, if I Control Z, it goes back to blue.
Oh, so it's whoever touched it last.
Modify it, and then you move it, and then maybe Control Z. It changes to blue. And then you Control Z.
It goes back.
And it changes to blue. Ain't that interesting?
That's interesting. Okay, how do you think
Well, then I guess it has it like it has that blue arrow, like that group, right?
Yeah,
and under it, it has like all the changes that were made, and it puts our name by it.
I think
So
so.
if we undo, it goes undoes the thing that we did, like our name.
Yeah.
And then
Do you
if
think
you
it's
undo it,
uh-huh?
okay, keep going.
Do you think they implemented with a stack? Like they have like a stack, like an actual stack of like the data, and they just have like the entire all the moves possible, right? So when you
So you,
control C, they pop the previous one and they grab what's on top now, and they just copy those elements. It could have like color, size, position, arrow, object, whatever, and just put it on the screen, and then it moves. Then you pop that one, grab the values, the
well, wouldn't that
characteristics
mean
of
that
this.
like that example we just did right now? Like if I change the color and then you move it, like move it,
Okay.
I just change the color. If I control Z, it changes it back to blue.
Yeah, because now we're
Which
on your stack.
what? So we both have two different stacks.
I think we both have two different stacks.
Hmm. Okay. 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 Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Okay.
We're getting somewhere. We're
Yeah.
getting somewhere.
Yeah. Are they have internships open?
Let's
Nah.
see. Pretty
Let's see
magic,
what's going
bro.
on. We'll send them this video right here. We're like, we
We
dissected
know
their
how to
code.
implement it.
Yeah, for real. We're over here struggling
uh,
on merge two sorted lists, and we're over here telling them that we know how to run their code and stuff. Yeah. All right.
oh man.
I forgot where I was at. Okay,
Yeah,
here.
we're gonna rerun it.
Okay, we're rerunning it. So, 1 and 1, they equal.
Yeah.
So, we're always gonna choose. We're always gonna move what the like this one, the one that
Yeah, wherever.
the temp side is
y-
on.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
So then we move this over. That's 2. 2
Uh
is
huh.
greater than 1.
Uh huh.
So that means temp needs to go over here. Or
Yeah.
no,
Yes.
that means temp needs to go over here,
Mhm.
and then this one moves.
Yes. Oh, give me a second. They're knocking on my door. I'll be
Okay.
back. I'll be back.
2 is less than 3. So that means 1 points over here. 1 is equal to 1. You move this. This goes over. You move this because you're gonna destroy this. You're gonna destroy this linkage right here. So you want to make sure it's over, and then you point. Then you point 1 right there. You say. Temp.next. No, but how do you know to point it up here if you don't have anything pointing to it? Okay, retry. Starts here. 1 is equal to 1. Move this over. No, that doesn't seem right. Because if you move this and you say 1 points to temp, how is it going to move over here?
Yo, yo, yo.
Jose, you need to enlighten me a little bit.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I ran into a dilemma. I'm probably not thinking
All good.
about it
All good.
right. But I was saying, you move this over, right?
Mhm.
And you see that 2 or 1 is less than 2.
Yeah.
So we know that this 1 needs to point right here.
No, this one has to point over here. This one has to point over here. Because the value that temp is pointing is the smallest value. right? And we're doing a sorted list, so the smallest value has to point to the bigger value. So for sure, this one or this value right here is gonna be smaller than this one and this one, or equal to. Yay or nay? I like the music.
Yeah.
Where's the dilemma? Where's the dilemma?
So
Uh huh. Yeah, let me erase it. Let me erase it first.
so you move. Okay, we're like, okay, 1 and 1 equal. You move this one, whatever
Yes.
temp side is on,
Yes.
and then now once you move it, then you say this one points over here. So
Yes.
temp points right here.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now that temp points right there, you move this over
Mm-hmm.
and you say is 2 less than, or no, is 3 less than 2,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because you're on
Mm-hmm.
the temp side.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, yeah,
And
you could
with,
say yeah.
or will it just still say this is still list 1 right here?
Yeah, list one, yeah. List one and
So
list
is
two.
list
2 and 3.
1 less than 2? It is. So that means this temp needs to point over here.
Yes, sir. And since with this value we already have it in the list or in the list that we're creating, we don't need it anymore. So we move it to 4. Right? We move it to the next one. So we already have 2 in the
Yes.
list. So we need to go to the next one. Now we have 3 and 4.
So is 4 less than 3? No, no. So then pointer that points down here. And this
Mm-hmm.
one moves.
Mm-hmm.
Then is 4 less than equal to 4? Yes.
Yeah. So we
So
can point to
you can move it here.
mm-hmm.
And then this goes to no. And then
Yes.
if one of them's no, it goes, if list 1 is no, then temp.next equals list.2.
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
Yes, yes,
And I
yes.
would keep it that way. I know, obviously, yeah, we could either choose to just say, just to connect these two and then point it right here. But you're going to have to, I feel like you're going to have to add a specific case for that when it works the same way, just going across and then bringing it back. Like it works
Yeah.
with our code that we have.
Yes, yes, yes.
If I'm not mistaken, I feel like you would have to add an extra piece to say, like, if this one is equal to this one, to just stay with
Yeah.
this one and then move it over.
Yes. Yeah. Pretty
But
much. Because not all the time you're gonna have like the same situation.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah,
okay,
for sure, for sure.
I like it.
Yes,
I
yes,
like it.
yes. So yeah, now we just have to come up with the logic here in code, right? Because we understand it now. We just have to translate it.
Yeah.
We know it in English. Now we just translate it into code. Let me see right here. So they said if list one dot val equals greater list two. So no, for sure, right? If list one is less than list val two, temp.
Points.
Yeah, let me just get it. Temp. The next points to list one, right? Then we do list val. The val it's less than list one. We point to temp. The next to list two, like that. So we just go. We point to the number that it's lesser.
Wait, so for this first case, we move it over to 2.
Oh, yes. Here we have to move update. So once we move, we have to move list one. We go list one dot next. From here we're gonna be, because since we're already pointing at it, we don't really need the value anymore, so we can just move it like that. But now we need the edge case when they're both equal. When they're both equal, because here's the
Oh,
thing.
I thought you said if I thought we put it just less than equal to, and then we just follow it.
Yes. Oh, let me see.
Like if
It's
list
because,
one is less than equal to one, you still
uh-huh.
move list one.
Yes. But what if our, now I think here's where we kind of like stopped, or here's where we left off. Because what if we started over here? List one, right? Yes.
Which one's
Let me
this one?
delete.
Purple?
Yes. This was purple.
Okay.
Now list. This is list one now. All right. So Mateo told us we don't need an else if. We can do it as an else statement. All right. I did it just to make sure it actually covers that edge case. But I'm gonna trust you, Mateo. I'm gonna trust you. So I'm
Hey,
just gonna put an
he
else.
clutched up
He
before,
clutched
so he
up the
has
other
some
day. Yeah, that's
reputation.
what. Yes,
He
sir.
has
That's what.
reputation.
That's a reputation. He's the clutch guy. So here my dilemma is like, yes, list one the val is less than or equal to list two. Now temp.next we equal list one. Yes, so it would work here,
Okay.
and this one goes over here. So it does work here, right? But what if? Oh no. I'm just, cause I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking it, but I don't know. Let me just. So now we are here, right? List one, yes. And now it says list temp.next will point to list one. And list one we equal list next. Oh no, it works. It works. Yeah, it works. Never mind. I take it back.
You take it back? We're taking it
It
back.
works. I think it works.
Oh, I hope it works.
I think it works.
Okay.
Yes. I take it back. It works. Now, just a little thing. Here we do need to keep the track of the head, and the head
Yeah.
is just gonna be the same as.
Oh man, I'm kind of sore right now. I don't know why I'm sore.
Because you went to play yesterday.
It wasn't yesterday. It was the day before.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
I'm a little sore right now.
Ooh. Oh. Let me lock this. Did you do any physical activity yesterday?
Uh
Idea?
oh yeah, I helped. I mean, I helped Germ with the. I had to like get on the ladder and like hold my arm up.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Okay. Maybe that's why.
that's like the most like simplest thing to do, and I'm over here sore and stuff. That just
Nah,
proves to you I
fair.
don't work out. Like I literally don't lift weights or anything. All I do is play basketball. Maybe I should
Hey,
start lifting some weights.
hey, I got you, bro. I got you in a program, bro. Have you like Arnold Schwarzenegger, bro? Easy.
In
All
in how
right.
many weeks?
2 weeks. 2 weeks. Don't ask me
Nah, you
how.
crazy.
Don't ask me how. Don't ask me how. All right, but I got some methods over here.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm kidding. All right, so I think this is it.
You think that's it?
I think that's it.
Can we do the example if it's like
One more time. Okay.
no, not this one. Let's do
Oh,
the I'm gonna group this real quick. Or how do I lock? I lock everything? No. Okay. Let's do that example where it's like 1 1 1 like 1 0 no.
when they're
One
in
two three
order.
four five yeah. Okay.
Okay, I got you. Are you circles? Okay, I got you.
We'll just duplicate it like this. Oh,
Right. think 4 on each side. It's fine.
4 on each side?
Yeah, top and bottom. 2, 3, 4.
Alright.
There we go. Placa, 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 placa. Go like this. Ufas.
Maybe rewrite these right here. Okay. We good?
We good. We good. We good.
Alright. Do this. 2. Alright. So, using the arrow, okay. If list1.val is less than or equal to list2.val, okay, temp is, well, I guess we should use the same ones we have over here. So, this one, this will be red. Okay, so temp is right here.
Yep.
Okay, while list and list2, if list1.val is less than or equal to list2, temp.next is equal to list1, which is here.
Mm-hmm.
Then list1 equals list1.next. Okay. If list1.val is less than or equal to list2, then temp.next equals list1. This moves over. If 3 is less than 5, then this equals this. This moves over. And then if list1.val is less than or equal to that, then this moves here. Then this moves over. And that's null.
Let's know.
If list1, and that breaks the while loop. If list1 is null, then that means list2, no, temp.next is equal to list2. That's,
Mm-hmm.
oh.
This is gonna point over here. Shh. Shh.
All right, man.
Yes,
I think we
sir.
got it. Oh,
Yeah, I think we did. I think we did.
Okay, I'm gonna
How long
copy
did
all
that take
this.
us?
50,
Now
almost an hour.
here. Now we're minute.
All right, we're going. We're here. We're locked in. The music's
We're
getting
locked
better
in.
right now.
We're locked in.
Oh, the music's getting so good. All right, I'm about to lock in right now. That
Yep.
okay.
Let's see. Okay, I'm here.
All right. So, I mean, that's basically.
I think we just have to switch the syntax now.
List1, list2. Should we have head out here or it sets it right here?
I think it sets it right there. We just have to fix the indentation and the spacing. Anything else? We need a little. Yeah. We need a colon, and also in the if statement, we need a colon. And we need to return head.
What else am I missing?
I think we're good.
Let's just see. Let's see what happens.
Okay, I think you might get.
Okay. Yep.
I think. Not sure. Might be me. Ooh.
Infinite.
I think so. Hmm.
Wait, return head or you return? Yeah, you return head. Okay.
Yes.
Um. Also, I'm gonna make a post on LinkedIn in the coming days, man. My first post.
Really? What are
I'm
you
a
gonna
little
put?
nervous. Just like what's been happening, uh, like these past like months or whatever, like stuff like that.
Okay, I see. Hmm.
Interesting. It doesn't stop.
Does a while loop detect when something is none?
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Right here.
Oh,
Let's see. We're talking about
see
this,
that?
Mateo. Let's see.
No. Hmm. Um. You see, I don't. I think it's the fact that we're now moving temp because we're pointing temp to equal to list one, but temp is not list one though. It's not at list one. It's just pointing to list one.
Yeah. Yep.
I don't know if you see it.
Right here.
Yeah, I think on the next line we should do temp will equal list one
Um. Hmm.
because temp list one can be pointing at red one,
Yeah.
right? And we
Why
just
are we doing temp that next? Shouldn't it just be temp?
no, because you have to point temp will equal L1, but it's not gonna point towards a list one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
Does that make sense?
Temp. Okay, so look at my cursor. Temp dot
Mm-hmm.
next. Right here. We're at
Mm-hmm.
this one. Points to this one, and then you move temp to one.
Yes.
That will still hold the connection.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like that. No, that's two.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Well, we move to whoever we're pointing to. So
Okay.
temp will
Okay.
equal to list one. Yeah.
You want to run it?
I'm down. It's ready. No. We're truckers. Try putting a break statement. Let's see what's happening. At the end of the while loop, let's see what's the first iteration. Oh, that's because the arrays are empty, so we have to check that out too. If an array's empty. But for the first,
Sorry.
all good, all good.
Where does it show the ones we passed? Or not passed, but it just tells us this.
Yeah, you can delete the empty arrays. and just leave the first one.
These?
Yeah, and I think the 0 too, because the 0. Yeah. Oh, there's a cycle. And I think the cycle's in the first if statement.
We're there, man. We're there.
No, we're there.
Ah.
If temp.next we equal list to 1. Oh, okay, I see. This is a cycle on line 22. Since list1.val is less than or equal to list2.val, temp.next, since the temp is going to be pointing at the first one of the first list, that temp.next is going to do like a loop and point to itself, right? And then it's going to, how do I say it? If that makes sense.
Temp.next. Temp is right here. Temp.next is equal to list1. List1 is 1.
Mm-hmm.
Then temp equals list1, which is 1.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then list1 equals list1.next, which is this.
Mm-hmm. Yes. But the temp.next is pointing again to the 1, creating that loop. So when you do a temp.
If the next one it runs, it would say
1, 2.
Well, the list1 val is not less than equal to list2.val, so it would be temp.next will equal this. And then temp equals this, which is this. And then the next one, you move, it goes back up here. Temp.next equals list1. Wouldn't I'm confused. I see. I kind of get what you're saying, but I'm confused as to why it doesn't move back.
Yeah, same here, because it should be working, even though it points to itself. The dot next will point to the other value. Got 1 1. The next is gonna point to list 1.
Where's the schedule?
You wanna go back to schedule?
Or at least like let me see.
Way to visualize it.
Okay. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Let me move this a little bit. Hold up. Let me fix this. Alright. So, to draw it out.
Wait.
Let's
see. I don't think we need the if and the else at the beginning. Wait, no, we do. Because how? Yeah. Okay.
move this.
Man, this one.
Let's move this back. Oh, this song goes crazy. Okay, we're here. So
yeah, so the first iteration, right, we check if they're equal. They're equal. Temp at the beginning is here. And then it says temp.next point to list 1, right? Then list 1 will equal over here. Then we iterate, and then we say list 1, 2 is less than or equal to list 1. Yes, temp.next. Temp.next, which is this one, we could have list 2.
Which is down here.
Oh, yes. So this pointer now. Oh, my bad. Lock it. It's gonna point over here.
Yeah.
Then this one is gonna move over here. Then we're gonna say, okay. Then list 1, list 2 are still valid. 2 is less than list 2. Yes. Temp.next will equal list 1. List 1 will equal list.next. Equal. I don't see it. Then we run again. 3 less than 2. No. Temp.next equal list 2. And list 2 equals .next. This one's over here. Then we got 4 and 3, 4 and 4. 4 will equal list 2. Right, so now temp is gonna equal like that. And this one goes like that. We push out. Now list temp.next equals list 2. Damn. I don't see it. Oh man. Man.
I figure this out. This music is motivating me.
Can we try something and see if it works? Just like a hit or miss shot.
I'm ready. Look at this.
Okay.
One.
Yeah.
Where
Yeah,
is
that's
it?
what I was thinking. It's
Getting
at temp.next. Yeah. On the if and else, on the first couple if and else, on the first set, try setting temp to equal to 2. List 2, yeah, list 2, just switch them up. List 2 and 2 and
That?
yeah. Oh no, never mind. Hey Kara, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream.
Yo, what's up? Oh. Interesting. Where is it at? It keeps looping. Next.
But I mean, where's the loops? Is essentially we're just gonna list 1 equal list 1.next. They're gonna reach the end. Like eventually they're gonna. That's.
Let me try something. Free Wawas.
Come on, bro. We have to finish this one this stream, bro.
No, we're gonna get it. No, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. So.
Oh, Mateo gave us a little tip. Temp list node will equal temp. Ooh. I think Mateo wants us to create a new string. A new linked list.
I don't know if we could do that with this problem.
I mean, I think we can, no?
No. You merge them.
No, we create a new. Well, merge them means like you have to merge them, right? But it doesn't have to be in place. Like you don't have to actually keep them together or not create a new linked list. If that makes
One
sense.
is less than one. Then you move this one over. This one needs to point. This one. This one. This points here. It's a point to list 2.
Ooh. Wait.
No, this one. This.
No, because now you're going to the bigger value.
That next points right here to list 2. Temp.next points over here. List 1. That next.
Do you want to follow Mateo's advice?
In a bit, yeah.
In a bit. Okay,
I
okay.
I feel like we're here. This moves over. You bring this one down to list 2. Temp. No. This one points to this. This one moves here. Then this one moves. No, this one stays. No, this one moves.
Well, it's because here on the if statement, you're moving if this 2 is. You're pointing to the opposite.
But that was the point. Is these 2 are right here. They both equal the same. You move this over. You said point this one this points over here now, and this moves here.
Yeah.
That's what you said. And then I forgot whether this one moves here or this one moves
Yeah, that
here.
one moves to the 3.
And then you compare these two. This one's less than, so 10 points over here. And then you have this. And then this one moves. And you compare the temp with this one.
Mm-hmm. So if it's lesser and it's bigger, this one goes to the right. Temp.next will go to less 2. Not quite. I don't think so.
Well, that's from what we said in the pseudo, so that's why I'm confused
Yeah.
now why it changed.
Yeah, it's because the original idea is the temp will always point to the lesser value, right? Well, whatever the lesser value is, it could be on the list 1 or list 2, right? It doesn't guarantee that the lesser value is gonna be on the opposite linked list. Like not every value is gonna be lesser than other. No, the next following value is not gonna be greater than.
Okay.
I just like scrambled myself. Sorry.
It's all good.
So it's like temp 1 has to point to the smallest value, no matter where it is. It can be the following number in the same list, or it can be the number on the other list. You get me? Here in this if statement you're doing is like you're always pointing to the opposite list, even though when list 2 is greater, it's greater than the list 1.
Okay.
So let's say we have list 1.val, in this case is 2 and 1, right? You're gonna be pointing towards. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait, no. Yes. So here, right, you're doing list 1, right, which is 1 equals or greater than list 2. Yes. The equal or greater than 1, less than or greater than 1, less than or equal to what? There you go. Is yes. So you're gonna move list 1. Yes, you're gonna move it to 2. Temp next is gonna point to 2, and temp is gonna equal to 2. Yes. Yes. Good. Yeah. Yes.
Well, I don't think this one's in there. This move is in there.
Yes. Well, let's assume it moves there. Right? 3, 2. And then you're gonna say, all right, 2 less than 3, yes. Right? So list 1 is gonna go to dot next, which is 2 on the top, gonna move to the next to 4, because 2 is less than 3. Then top next, temp dot next is gonna point at 3 now. Because on line 23, I think you're doing temp dot next points at list 2, which is 3. So you're gonna be always pointing to the greater value. You get me? So yes, you move that one to 4, right?
You move which one to 4? The pointer?
Up?
You said you moved this one to 4?
No, you move the purple blue, the one purple.
Okay.
Onto it points to 3. So now you have a list of 1, 2, 3, right? Rather than 1, 1, 2, 3. So you put the 3 first before the 2. But we're so close, my guy. We're so close. Yeah or nay? Yeah or nay?
I'm thinking right now.
Because yes, it does work for the first one where it goes 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about we don't necessarily need this, and we always start with list 1, and you start temp on list 1,
Mm-hmm.
and you move it. You move this over.
Mm-hmm.
If no, sorry. You're comparing temp. You're comparing temp. Is
Mm-hmm.
temp value less than equal to list2.val? Yes. You move this over.
You moved to 2. You
You
moved.
you move this.
Mm-hmm.
You point this over here, and you move this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Is temp dot value less than equal to? Never mind. Ignore that one.
I good. I good.
If
It's because if you say temp.val is less than or equal, I think it's gonna be the same. It's not gonna tell you where to go because temp is gonna be lesser than both values or equal.
all right. So what's Mateo? What is this code gonna do?
Before Mateo, I think I have an idea.
All right. What's your idea?
All right. On the if statements, on the first couple if statements, move list to 1
Can I
to the
revert this or
next
no?
one. Yes, yes, yes.
Revert it to where we had it before. All right.
All right. Move list on the first if statements on line 12.
Yeah.
You're gonna move list 1 to the next list dot next. So you're gonna go list 1 equals list dot next. Yeah, after you set the temp at the head. You're gonna do the same thing for list 2. Run that. There we go. Okay, that worked. Yarday. Yarday. I think we're still gonna get that error because there are empty lists. So for that, we just have to create a if statement where it says if list one and if list one if not list one and list two, no return. Return none or return head. You can do head. Yeah, but it has to be none though. None. If none. If not. If not. If not list one. If not list two.
Or
Well, no, because sometimes you're gonna get an empty list and a list that has something, and we have to return the list that has something.
but
So
if one of them is nothing, then that's, or if
oh
both are nothing, then that's return nothing. But if one of them has it, then you return that.
yes,
So like this. So I have another statement then.
yes, I think so. Yes. If not list one. Yes, sir. Uh huh.
Like that.
Mhm. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, because it's hitting right here. And you have to do an else if
On which
on
one?
the line 17.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna turn it into an else if and say not list two. There we go. Yes. Okay.
I don't like that. I don't like these.
Yeah, the
Ah,
edge cases.
yeah, I wonder if there's a better way of doing that.
I'm pretty sure. It's because the bad thing over here is because on line 20, we are getting the values. So you can't get the value of an empty list. But it works though. It works. How do you feel about it? Thoughts?
No, I don't like this
Comments?
right here. But I want to find
Uh,
a better way.
I mean, I think the way Mateo was saying it solves that issue. But we have to rewrite the code that we have. Not a lot, but I think so. Because what he's saying is that we're creating a new list. A new list. In that list, it has gonna have the elements of the two lists combined, but in an ordered.
For a minute.
You tell me.
All right, let's do it.
He's tired of the problem already.
Yeah. Woo! Yay!
Yay!
We
Bro,
got
you're
it
done with
done.
this, bro. You're done with this. I can tell from your voice. Oh, before we did that. What? Wait a minute. Okay. So we had the same logic.
They're both the same.
Okay. But I think here we did the same. We did something similar to what Mateo said. We created a new list.
All right. Let's get out of this problem, man.
You're done with this.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Oh, link listener, no, bro. You wanna update your insanity level?
Uh
What's your level? What's your level
Now
at?
I'm not angry, but I'm like frustrated, annoyed. I think annoyed's the best
Okay,
word to describe. I'm annoyed by that problem.
dude. Yes, dude. No, and then I was thinking about it, and I saw like that little thing. So before we did like Mateo's approach, I was like, you know what? Let's just try it, and it worked. I was like, I guess. Didn't really want to think about it too.
I'm just annoyed, man. Thank you, Mateo, though, for
Yeah,
that
think of it though.
tip right there. I don't
Damn,
even
bro.
I don't even want to do another one.
Hey, we can cut it off here. I know you mentioned that you were thinking about doing a short, so we can make it a short here. This one is a medium too, so it's gonna be a little bit tougher.
Yeah, bro, I need to go make some food. I have no
Alrighty.
energy.
Hey, you good,
I'm
buddy? You good,
toast.
my guy? Yeah, me too. I haven't eaten anything.
Really?
Yeah, I haven't eaten anything either.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Nah. Hey, but we got it done though. We got it done.
For the people to know where I'm at mentally, I'm definitely like just the towards the end it kind of annoyed me, so I'm gonna say like an 8, an 8.
Nate?
I'm like a little annoyed and frustrated. What about you?
Yeah. I'm like at 6. I'm
6.
yeah, because I hated when we got that loop. I was like, oh, here we go again.
Oh man,
Dude, I
I'm
hate
just
linked
done.
lists. They see they seem simple, right?
Yeah.
But then you start getting into those like edge cases, or those what is, blah blah blah. It's like, nah, dude, it's just weird. It
Yeah.
just makes it 100,000 more times more difficult. All right, let's see. Well, what is this problem though? I want to get the gist of it. Just
I
get
don't.
ahead of it.
You could get the gist of it.
Okay, I got you.
Here, I'll show the people.
One and one. Huh? Oh no way. Yeah, I don't want to mess with it. I don't even understand it. I'm okay. I'm okay with that.
Zero
And
n
I don't
one n minus one, two n minus two. Yeah, you got me messed up. You think I'm a you think I'm gonna do anything like that right now? Yeah, you got me messed up.
Oh, I
So
don't even
it's
understand.
saying zero to n to n minus one.
One.
No, but that's three. Like why? Oh, n minus one. Okay.
Oh,
No,
so he jumps. Oh, so you have to get one from the back, one from the
front and
front, one
then
from
run
the
from
back,
the.
one from the. Get out of here, bro.
So
And it has to be
one
in
here, one here,
place.
one here, one here, one here. Yeah, you got me messed up.
Oh man.
Yeah, I ain't doing that. Oh, oh, I'm not tired, but I'm. Uh, why do we have to do this in the morning? Like if we did it at night. Obviously, I know why we didn't do it at night, but I'm just kind of complaining right now.
Yeah.
I'm yapping. I'm complaining. If we did this at night, like you get off stream, your head's hurting, you just go to sleep.
But right
But
now we
right
have
now
a
I gotta suffer
day.
throughout the day. I gotta suffer throughout the day, and I gotta just
Yeah.
like that's on my mind. Think about the merge link list. Like that's on my mind right now. It's gonna be like that for the rest of the day. You know. So pros and cons. I personally would like streaming in the morning because you just like yeah, it's like morning time. You know, you're fresh, whatever. But also the con is that if you leave your stream annoyed, it might linger for the rest of the day. It
Dude,
might. Not saying
yes,
it
the
will. It
headache.
might. It might.
Yeah,
It
but
might.
for a
It
good
might
like
kill
30
you inside.
minutes, for like a good 30 minutes, you're gonna have that.
For sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I don't want to hear it right now. Kyra
All right,
said,
boy.
"SMH is not a yap session." All right, you're done. I'm gonna ban you. Mods, can you ban her?
But I gotta put her in a timeout.
Can we get a Can we get a ban real quick?
Yeah, bro. She's telling you to get to work.
Yeah, for
Damn.
real. All
Nah,
right,
no, I
man.
get you, but me too. I'm hungry here, and I'm getting the sniffles right now because it's cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, my
Hey,
head is
feel
starting to
better,
hurt a little
brother.
bit.
Feel
Hey,
better.
thank you,
I don't
brother.
know what your
Thank you.
symptoms are right now, but feel better, man.
Nah, just a runny nose, but hey, thank you, brother. Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right.
Appreciate it a lot. All right.
I think
So
that's it then.
yeah.
We
All right,
solved one
people.
problem, an hour and 30 minutes or so. All right. That's about
All
it. You said the
right. All
outro,
right.
man.
Just all right. Thank you guys for everything. Appreciate it. Have a great day.